In this video, we'll show you how to easily add widgets to your Samsung Galaxy phone's lock screen. So to get started, you'll first need to head to your lock screen and then tap and hold anywhere to enter the edit mode. Once you are on this screen, you will see this add widgets option. Simply tap on it and you will see a bunch of options. So you can see this battery widget, you can also see this calendar widget, you can see this camera widget, you can also see this gallery widget. You can add your widgets by simply tapping on it. Problem with this default method is that it only allows you to add widgets on this 4x1 box. So if you try to add a third widget, it will say widgets area full. Now it's possible to get around this limitation. For that, you will need to head to the Galaxy store on your Samsung phone and then download the GoodLock app. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it. Now here you will need to go to the plugins tab and download this Lockstar module. Once you have downloaded it, simply open it. This will again take you to the lock screen edit mode. Now here you should see this Lockstar option at the bottom. Simply tap on it. Here you will see this app widgets option. Tap on it and you can then add widgets from third-party apps as well. So you can tap on calendar and then add the calendar right here. So as you can see, the calendar is now added. Now I can move it anywhere I like. I can also resize it. So simply tap on it and then adjust its transparency, or I can resize it by simply using the corners. Similarly, you can add more widgets if you want. Once you have made all your changes, all you have to do is simply tap on done and your widgets will appear like so. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.